Welcome to Tattoo Shop Talk, and today we have awesome unboxing video. We got a box from Elite Tattoo Supplies and we have few rules that we talked with them, so we'll go through them and then we'll do the unboxing because it was his choice for the color for what's in there, and what's in there, it's tattoo tray, tattoo station. And then is very tech savvy, so he'll do the whole unboxing and everything. First thing that we have to do is show unboxing and setup, show how easy it is to install the tray and attach the magnetic top. I don't know if we'll need tools or something, so hopefully it's included.
I think it was included. I have seen a video of another guy who had it, or maybe it was from Elite actually. Yeah.
That padding! This goes in my backpack, this will protect my laptops, this will protect my tablets.
Your life.
Oh, it smells. That Chinese factory smell.
Oh.
So magnetic tray. Oh, look at that padding.
You're more excited about the padding. Centerpiece here. I guess the
Shaft
with Elite brand. And also, if I forgot, this is the magnetic that is attached to those magnets here. Screws and tools.
Good, tools are included.
Yep. This is the
Feet,
or like the wheels, the base, and more padding.
actually, if it's easy to set up, like they say, and take part, then this could be a useful thing to keep with if you're planning to travel. Some nice spinny wheels, not crazy spinny, could be more rubbery. They're a bit plasticky, but they have a lock. Boom, boom. There are no instructions, but I guess you have to be a bit on the special side not to figure it out.
I think it's pretty straightforward, yeah. The base here, twists and turns, so I guess it has to be tightened up a bit. Slots so you can just put it down so it fits easily. And there is a 5mm Allen key and a 4mm Allen key.
What's the center screw does? Does it tighten it up or something?
I think that's mostly to align the base, maybe, because it's different parts.
I think you have to tighten these, but it's pretty tight, so I think if you don't want to, it's not really that necessary.
Look at that color.
He's our pink guy. He have a pink armrest, pink dental bibs. What is that then?
That is magnets.
Lock it and it's like secure. But with
But if you don't need them, then they're magnetic, so you can just click them on here.
So to secure them in place, you tie them on, and if you don't need it that secure, you just put them around so you don't lose them. And it's still pretty secure.
It's
so
pretty stable, yeah.
if you are heavy-handed and you plan to rest or put 12 cans of Monster on it, because it's not coming off. Okay, we have next requirement. Demonstrate material cleaning. Mention the PC tray top. Demonstrate how easy to wipe or wash it. Another height adjustment, 63 to 95 centimeters, and there are scale marks.
Yeah.
If you're specific about your centimeters, it's marked.
And depending on what you want to use, you can do different foils, wraps, bags even. Well, it's kind of like any surface that you apply with a spray.
Also, stability. Place needles, inks or machines on the tray, lightly tap to show it doesn't shake. I mean, it feels pretty sturdy.
It feels super sturdy, yeah.
Let's pretend that these are machines and inks. It's fine. If you need to rebalance it, you can just open that thing and twist it around so you don't put more stuff on some corner.
And if you're working, like, super easy to work with.
Lock it
Whoa. Just locked it with 2.
And it's fine.
It's pretty good, yeah.
Wipe it down. I guess it's easy to wipe. Plus, it's see-through. If you manage to grab it with inky fingers, you will see it, which is a good thing. That's why I often prefer some colored stuff instead of black, because if there is ink, you will see it. And if you'll see it, you'll clean it. And if you don't, then boo on you. And if need be, you can just pop it off and clean underside. Mobility and locking easy to use, and roll it smoothly, then lock wheels. That's what we did just now. Portability, quick disassembly or packing. Perfect for conventions. If you want to take it apart completely, you can keep the box. Disassemble it safe, but pretty much if you go to convention, pop this off, put this thing in, and you're good to go pretty much. As is. If you want to disassemble it completely, 2 minutes and it's done, but I think this is fine. Slide this somewhere and you're good. And don't lose these things. First impressions, it's also nice and heavier. I was expecting it to be lighter.
Yeah, it has a nice heavy bottom, so it's, again, helping with the stability.
But there you go. Now you have another pink accessory for your station. Full review will never follow. If there will be some hiccup, I'll add it in a comment. You can help your colleague with extra supply. Hello, sir. Would you like some?
It's gonna be used in so many ways.
This part where it locks, it's actually the thing like on the bicycles. If it breaks, I think you can buy it off Amazon and fix it.
I think I have some laying around for my older armrest too.
I hope they sell these separately. If one breaks, you can get replacement one, or there may be different shapes, different colors. I've seen all sorts of like coffin shapes and love heart shapes and whatnot. I hope this part is replaceable. Plus some people like to slap magnets on like crazy and then it can shatter. But otherwise, magnets are in here. If this would be magnetic, you could put just metal tray and magnet to it.
Yeah.
Anyway, we fulfilled our requirements. These were like requirements that we have to show, and it makes sense to show them. Thank you for watching. See you in a future episode. If you want to see more of a pink stuff, follow Dan on Instagram.